Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and I've always wanted to do a video on how to put on a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. This is it! I reached out to skinstore.com to sponsor this video, and they said yes. I'm going to start with foundation first. I've got 2 shades of Dermablend. I got a light and I got a dark. I love this for cost and for coverage. You look more youthful if you put the light color underneath your eyes, so that's what I do. And with the same finger, dip it in the darker tone and pat that around. I use more of the pats up by where the light tone is because that's going to blend. And then my other finger, I'm going to put more of the darker tone on my nose because the nose gets a lot of sun. And now I blend all around, going up to the top of my cheeks with the lighter color, all around my eyes. Dermablend really covers my age spots on the side of my face. It's great coverage, and it has sunscreen in it too. That was 30 seconds. I like putting my foundation on first because that's going to have to set into my skin and dry a little bit. I started this video with fake eyelashes. I put them on last night, but I don't put them on very well. It's one thing in the pandemic I never really got the hang of because I used to get extensions, but that's why you need really good eyeliner. So this is the fix with a Nika Organic. I go right on the line of my very badly put on fake eyelashes, and I draw it slowly, just above the lashes where they touch my skin. Both sides. And Nika has a really great brush. There's a lot of control to it, so it's not gonna miss and go up here somewhere. It's a very hard brush. It's perfect. Better already. And now I do my lower lashes with this Eyeshadow from London brand. This is a black liner and it's waterproof and I love it. Look how easy this glides on. No mistakes. It's easy to control, so I kind of widen my eyes a little bit by bringing it out lower. I think that's a good look. And same thing on the other side. I'm thinner when it comes close to where my inside of my eye is, and then I get a little thicker underneath my eye. And again, all the way to the end. Because the tip is fine, I can also bring it up and out. I think it's a glamorous look, straight out. It opens my eyes. And while the eyeliner is drying, I'm using the Eyeshadow Define It Brow Pencil. And this is a medium brown. And I just go over my eyebrows. I like to have a little heavier here at the arch, and I go a little further down because it gives a very expressive brow. And same thing on the other side. I know the young girls spend a lot of time on their brows, but I don't have a lot of time. That's good enough for me. I like the look. And now for the fun. I go nuts for eyeshadow colors. I bought a whole bunch. I always like to match my outfit with just a little touch in my eye. This can go really fast. You don't have to spend a lot of time on this, but I love a palette that has every color in it. And I have a whole bunch. So this one is like for my pinks and my oranges and my reds and my browns. It has a lot of neutral colors. I love this palette for that dark black. I think it's a great base. Very nice for evening. And it has a nice assortment of colors, some neutrals, the grays, the browns, with enough lights for highlighting. This maker is Illamasqua. It's got a nice magnetic close. This Revolution palette is really great for purples, and purple happens to be the complementary color to yellow. So I'm going to use this. This is a lot of everyday colors. So I take the darkest color I'm going to wear, and I go up a little bit into the crease, leaving this white spot. I take the same color, and I'm going to go down, whoops, quick fix. I go underneath with the pointy part of my applicator, and I blend in that eyeshadow. It has a way of lightening up the lines of the corner, but I'm fine. And I bring this a little bit in and lightly touch for the next eye, not much, because this maker has a lot of pigment. It's a very high quality eyeshadow. So start where you want the darkest part, and that's the bottom part of the crease of your eye, and then lightly just go up and get the crease. And I only go till about midway, and then the rest I'm using a lighter touch. You really want to control the pigment, so just a dab will do you. And back to the corner to go underneath. The darkest is at the edge and corner of your eye. Go over here to the center of your eye because you're just softening that eyeliner line. As I look at my 2 eyes, this one is darker because that's where I touched the palette first. I had less control as a brand new palette. But that's okay, because with the unused part of my applicator, I'm just gonna rub some of it off. Good enough for government work. I'm thinking this yellow matches pretty well. So with a little dab, that yellow is gonna go in the very center part of my eye because it's the brightest yellow, the brightest color I'm gonna be using today. So I'm getting some more on the other eye and I'm bringing it up all the way up the center of my eye, a little more on this side, and now a deeper gold. It's a deeper color and then it can go further into my eye. What a pretty look. And now I'm going to get a mid-range color, and that just goes in the center of the crease. And on this palette, I'm going to get a lighter purple, kind of a gray purple color. That's going to touch the top of the darker purple color and kind of blend it in like that. Isn't that a nice look? And some more for the other side. And now we're going to highlight it with a very, very pale purple. Probably hard to see that. And the first place you touch is going to be the most intense. So that goes right up next to the brow. As the color falls off the applicator, it gets paler and paler, and that's fine because I want this to be the outstanding, most highlighted part of my eye makeup, right under the brow. So get some more fresh powder on your applicator and do the other side right there. So where I want the most intensity. So it's going to make my eyes have a lot of contour, a lot of interest going on. And I like this light medium tone right here to be the bridge between what was going on with those darker colors to bring it up to that bright color so it blends. That's why I like these really amazing big palettes of color, because there's so many intermediary shades. From the very light to the middle tones to the brights to match your outfits, even down to the blues. I will even use little touches of these pretty blues, not too much though, you don't want to look like you're from the 60s. And then all of these darker colors, more muted colors. And to be a little more spicy, here's a secret. Go back to your outfit highlighting color and right under your eye, under the darker, I'm putting a little line of that. Isn't that fun? Now what's bugging me is I don't have any lip color. I could be so much prettier if I had lip color. So now it's bugging me so much, I'm gonna put my lip color on. These are my two favorite colors from Illamasqua. We have the Pink Flash and we have the Smolder. And for this outfit, I like the Smolder. I don't use lip liner because it takes a lot of time and it can age you if you don't have just like exactly the color in a lipstick. If it's darker, ugh. So I just go around my natural lips carefully, and it has high quality pigment. So you don't want to make a mistake. Look at that. That is color. Now I got a tip for you. While I finish my makeup, this pigment is going to suck into my lips and stay there and stain them. Later I'll put gloss on to give it some shine, but right now I want it to stain my lips. Time for the blush. Skinstore.com has everything you need for beauty. One of the things I love though is their brush assortment. This is a double ender. This side's for the blush and that's for the face powder. It's by Wander. And Kevin Aucoin makes this blush that has a deeper tone here and a lighter, more muted tone there. So I start with the lighter, more muted tone. And a little dab will do ya right on the top of my cheekbones. And the darker under. And just because it's a special day, I'm gonna put some Radiance Power from Illamasqua on. I'm feeling especially girly today. Right on top of my blush and a teensy bit on top of my brow. There. This set also includes some glittery eyeshadow to add a little extra sparkle underneath my brow. Isn't that beautiful? Other side too. Now that's glam. Look at how this Illamasqua is packaged too. It's so pretty. These are all the products I got from Skinstore.com for today's makeup tutorial. It came right to my house. I love shopping online. Everything here is super high quality and really inexpensive. I've put all the links below so you can get everything I've used today. And you know, I really like affordability, but I really want high quality. And Skinstore.com has been able to do that for me. Now it's time for the finishing touch. And that's the lip gloss. My color is really intense and it's matte and now it's stained into my lips. But I'm going to use a little more subtle color that's going to give me some gloss and a lot of conditioning on my lips. Isn't that pretty? It glides on so easy. I think the saying is, you can never have enough lip gloss on. Love it. This brand name is Illamasqua, And they also have a really inexpensive line of lip gloss, which I had to get some, Color Science Lip Shine. And this one's nice too. It's a little lighter pink. Let's put that in the bottom. You only really need one lip gloss on top though. So how do you like my 5-minute makeup look? I know I talked a lot, so this video is a little longer than I anticipated. You get the idea. You can go fast. You don't have to do the 5 different colors I did on my eyeshadow, but you just understand it's the dark in the corners, medium over your crease line, and then lights at your brow and down by your lashes. That makes your eyes stand out. I'm going to close my eyes so you can see how I did it, and now I'm going to open them and you can see how my eyes pop out with all those pretty colors on them. So I hope you get imaginative and try them out. So click the link below and check out Skin Store's Cosmetics. Here's a little bit of rolling of their website. They've got everything there for beauty. It's fantastic, and they have every other kind of beauty product you'd ever need in your whole life at really great, reasonable prices. I'm so happy I found them. I love shopping online. They're good for any age. So I hope you like my beauty routine in 5 minutes. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel. I hope you make a comment below and let me know, what are your issues when it comes to beauty? Let's have a talk. And ring the bell to get notified of my next video, and let's keep making great recipes in life, like a recipe to look as young as we feel. I feel like I'm a teenager, so I want to try to look that way too. Well, as close as I can anyways, I hope. Bye. And if you like this video on beauty, here's some more.